Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito. I bring the power of umami to your table. Today, I want to talk about one of Japan's most meaningful food habits, Hara Hachi Bu. Hara Hachi Bu is a traditional Japanese idea that means eat until you are about 80% full. Hara Hachi Bu and the power of Dashi, the Japanese wisdom of eating until you are 80% full. But this is very important. Hara Hachi Bu is not about starving yourself. It is not about forcing yourself to eat less. And it is not about losing the joy of eating. It is about feeling satisfied at the right amount. And today, I want to show you how one simple ingredient can help make that easier. That ingredient is dashi. And of course, for Dr. Bonito, we are talking about the deep, comforting umami of Katsuobushi dashi. In Japanese home cooking, we often talk about ichiju sansai. This means one soup and 3 dishes. A typical meal might include rice, miso soup, a main dish, and a few small side dishes, instead of one very large portion. Japanese meals often bring together a variety of flavors, textures, temperatures, and ingredients. This balance is one reason Japanese food feels so satisfying. It is not just about feeding your stomach. It is about creating satisfaction through the whole meal. The aroma, the warmth, the texture, the color, and most importantly, umami. Here is Dr. Bonito's tip. Satisfaction does not come only from quantity. It also comes from depth of flavor. And that is where dashi becomes very powerful. So, why does dashi help with Hara Hachi Bu? Katsuobushi dashi has a deep savory flavor. It gives food body and depth without making it heavy. For example, think about miso soup. Miso soup made with plain water can taste flat. But miso soup made with good dashi has aroma, depth, and comfort. When you take the first sip, the fragrance rises gently, and the umami spreads slowly in your mouth. You do not need a lot of oil. You do not need a lot of sugar. You do not need to make the flavor overly strong. Good dashi gives quite satisfaction. That is the power of umami. Dashi is not loud. It does not try to make over the dish, but it supports everything underneath. It makes simple food feel complete. Let's look at a few examples. Simmered vegetables. If you season them only with soy sauce and sugar, they can taste good. But when you simmer in the katsuobushi dashi, the vegetables taste deeper, sweeter, and more satisfying. Ohitashi, Japanese blanched greens, is another good example. You do not need to pour a lot of soy sauce on top. When the vegetables absorb dashi, they become gentle, flavorful, and deeply comforting. Even udon. You may not need a huge bowl of noodles if the broth is full of aroma and umami. The dashi makes the whole bowl feel satisfying. So the idea is not to eat less and feel deprived. The idea is to make each bite more satisfying. That is how dashi can support Hara Hachi Bu naturally. Sometimes Hara Hachi Bu may sound strict, but I don't see it that way. To me, Hara Hachi Bu is not about restriction. It is about paying attention. Paying attention to the aroma of dashi. Paying attention to the first sip of miso soup. Paying attention to the sweetness of vegetables. Paying attention to how your body feels as you eat. When you slow down and taste carefully, satisfaction does not depend only on the amount of food. You can reach the feeling of, that was delicious, that was enough. That is the beautiful meaning of Hara Hachi Bu. So, here are 3 simple ways to practice this at home. First, add a dashi-based soup to your meal. It can be miso soup, clear soup, or udon broth. A warm bowl of dashi gives comfort and helps the meal feel complete. Second, use dashi with simple ingredients. Vegetables, tofu, mushrooms, or greens all become more satisfying when they are paired with dashi. You do not always need strong seasoning. Let dashi bring out the natural flavor. Third, take the first few bites slowly. Not the aroma, not the umami, not the warmth. When you eat too quickly, Hara Hachi Bu becomes difficult. But when you enjoy the flavor carefully, your eating rhythm becomes calmer. So today's message from Dr. Bonito is, Hara Hachi Bu does not mean eating less and feeling hungry. It means finding the amount that feels just right for your body, and dashi can help you get there. The umami from Katsuobushi dashi makes food satisfying without making it heavy. It helps simple meals feel complete. So, instead of only increasing the amount of food, increase the quality of satisfaction. That is the Dr. Bonito way of Hara Hachi Bu. Umami makes the table richer, and it can also make the way we get gentler. I'm Dr. Bonito. If you'd like to learn more about umami, please subscribe for more delicious recipes and Japanese food wisdom. I'll see you in the next video.